Welcome back, everybody. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and here we are in downtown Phoenix at one of the projects we've been working on this week. It is a sanding and refinishing of a beautiful historical home, wood floors that needed a little bit of love and restoration. So we're gonna go ahead and go inside and look how things have progressed. You can see we started earlier this week, and here we are. Let's go ahead and take our shoes off so we don't step on this beautiful, pet stains. So like we talked about in previous videos, pet stains cannot be sanded out since it is dry rot, meaning the wood floor rots from top to bottom. And the only way to do that is remove and replace the pieces. You can see the beautiful arches and beautiful wood floor. It turned out amazing. We did trowel fill it all, so there is no more gaps in it, no more scratches, no more dents. And it is I would say a common number 3. Telling about all the streaks and the knots in it. And this is where the washer and dry was, which was a little cupped and uneven since it leaked a few times. Not anymore. We did straighten it out. As you can see, this is what we refer to as trowel wood filling. So this is a gap, which is normal for an 80-year-old floor. But once we fill it in a wood filler, it is a red oak wood filler, so it fills in. And basically we don't really notice it anymore. So let's go ahead and look around, see how everything turned out. Like we talked about, beautiful arch ceilings, and this is the back area where it looks like they might have had some paint stains at one time. Let's go ahead and do a walkthrough. Yes, beautiful, beautiful homes in downtown Phoenix. Nice fireplace, very unique. Of course it is unique. It's downtown Phoenix. Most homes are unique here in central Phoenix. Let's go ahead and see how everything turned out in the bathroom and in the front bedroom. This is it. If you remember from a previous video before, it was in a rough shape. Rough as in no maintenance. A wood floor needs maintenance, just like a carpet needs carpet cleaning. A wood floor needs maintenance, as in screening it and recoating every 5 years. We would recommend. So give us a call today at 602-446-2613, or find us online, www.royalwoodflooring.com. So when we talk about maintenance, is meaning we would come in every 4 or 5 years, depending on the wear and tear, or a lot of kids or commercial area, and screen. It's called screen and recoat, or buff and recoat, meaning we just scuff up the top layer and put a new coat of finish on, and that way it will maintain the nice sheen, the nice look it has. But without recoating it, what happens is the finish wears off, then it's bare wood, and then the bare wood turns black, bare wood turns black, and then we have no choice but to sand and refinish it. So these are the sandpapers our technicians use. Let's see, what is it? Oh, 80 must have been one of the last papers, and then this one is 60. Those are for the edger, for the little edger we use for the edges around the perimeter of the floors. Let's go and see if we could do this like this. Oh, yeah, this is a pretty cool stand, which I could hold a phone camera without actually having to hold it with 2 fingers and dropping it. Go ahead and take a look how everything turned out in the back room. Oh wow, magnificent. Magnificent. The reason for the plastic on the window, there's a contractor coming out today to remove it and refurbish it, and it's all wood with glass inlays. So the reason the plastic is there, and also, I went ahead and super sealed it for the dust. We don't want any kind of dust coming in once we put a new coat on it. Well, the 3rd coat on it. We don't want dust coming in and going in over our newly refinished wood floors. then it will dry in there, and we do not want to have a job with any kind of dust in the finish once it's done. And it is very smooth and very nice looking. It turned out extraordinary. We love what we do, and we do what we love. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.